Well, I had a great time.
So did I. I'm so glad Sonia set us up.
Well, I'm glad we met too.
See you around.
Definitely. Call me.
I will.
It was like what you would see in a movie.
Call me. Sounded a bit desperate though.
I did. Didn't I? Oh, God. Now he would think I'm some lonely, miserable spinster, desperately in need of company.
True. It's not that serious now. Calm down. He'd be lucky to have you. And besides, he likes you too much to even think that.
You think?
I know. Love doctor.
Okay. Okay. Enough of the gist.
No gist.
What gist again?
Just from the dates now, like how it went, what you ate, what you talked about.
Okay. Maybe after I take a shower and cook dinner, seeing that both of you cannot enter that kitchen, then maybe I'll give you gist. Sha.
We want gist.
Sorry, no gist. No gist. Bumi, please add the vegetable oil, and after it cooks for a while, then you can add the onions, okay?
Okay.
Alright, thanks.
So, are you two going to go out again?
Well, I don't know. If he wants to, then I'm game.
Of course you're game. You are bleeding in love with this young man.
We just have so much in common, you know? And he's so intelligent, and you know that intelligence is such a huge turn on for me.
It's just like what you see in the movie.
Can you please stop saying that already, please?
But it's just like what you see in the movie. You know, the love at first date and all.
Anyway, he's honest too. You know, he told me about his kid.
He has a child?
He has a baby mama?
He has a daughter from an ex.
Shucks. He's a player.
How could you even say that? You don't even know this guy.
I don't need to. I mean, if he has a baby mama, then he's a player.
Haba, Tayo. People make mistakes.
Not this kind of mistake.
You know what, Tayo? I am not even going to listen to your pessimistic self today, okay? He made a mistake, but he's a good man now. Look, I like him, and he likes me back. Do you think you can respect that? Huh?
See, you know what? It's okay. Fine.
Thank you.
So, have you met his daughter before? How old is she?
No, I haven't. And she's 10.
Oh, isn't that cute? So, when do you get to meet her?
I don't know. Whenever he's ready, I guess.
He could bring her over to the house tomorrow. What do you think, Tayo?
Oh. I think you should finish what you're doing in the kitchen, go into your room, and prepare for the test you have on Monday. What do you think?
That must be Dad. No word about this to him yet, okay?
Lips locked.
Tayo.
Fine, your secret is safe with me. Blah, blah, blah.
I'm such a pessimist.
Nothing happened. What?
Are you jealous of her?
Girl, are you out of your mind?
I'm just saying. Just try and be happy for her. She likes this man. Something that hardly happens, okay? The least we can do is support her.
Bumi, go into the house. I'm not kidding. Go inside! Leave! Don't go and discuss that with your mate. Come here too. Come on.
I'll be going to Ibadan tomorrow.
Oh, what's happening there?
A friend's wedding. 2 or 3 meetings. Then I'll go and see Grandma. Should be back Monday or Tuesday, depending
On what?
on how much fun I'm having. What do you think? But if my meeting on Monday is cancelled, I'll be back on Tuesday.
Oh, okay.
Would have loved to go with you. You know, to see Grandma.
Some other time, when you have no test or final exams to prepare for. You okay?
Okay, then.
Incidentally, I happen to be on leave next week.
Good.
Casual leave though.
Oh.
I kind of enjoyed the last one, so I just asked for another.
So what would you be doing this time?
I don't know. Relax, read.
Good.
You know, doesn't mean I don't have to work though. It just means I won't have to go to the office.
But you have to cook and do the chores.
See your mouth. I am sure that is music to your ears. And that of tires. Especially tires. Jerry, Daddy, what time are you leaving?
7 a.m. But the wedding is for 11.
So that means we have to help you pack now.
What will I do without my darlings?
Nothing, actually.
Now you can get to bring Essie to the house.
That's true. I didn't even think of that.
Liar.
I swear.
Wow. You know, I get to meet his daughter. I can't wait to meet the girl.
No, I can't wait to meet her myself. So excited. I'll just call him and let him know then.
Maybe we can go to the beach tomorrow.
That would be so much fun. I tell chicks.
Oh well, you can bring chooks. But only Bumi won't have a date.
No, the little girl is gonna be my date. You know, we're gonna go with few drinks, small chops, and it'll be fun.
Like food.
You know what? I could also come with Gina and Lola.
No.
Okay, relax. Calm down. I'm so excited. I really cannot wait.
I can't wait. I'll make fried rice, I'll make jollof rice, I'll make moi moi, I'll make couscous, I'll make everything. Oh my god, it'll be so much fun. And Essay will be there.
It will be my date, I think.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I don't know who sent me to get on that horseback. My whole body hurts.
But I think you did just fine.
What? That was fine? Are you kidding me? Did you see the way she was screaming and flaying her hands everywhere? I think not.
Well, at least I gave it a try. Unlike you who was too chicken to even try.
Duh.
Well, as for me, I enjoyed my asun. You know, I could go there every day.
You two like food. You and Chooks are from the same planet.
I like food too.
Of course you do. And that is my cue to go make lunch. I'm sure nobody has eaten any real food today.
Actually, I want to wash my hands.
Okay, darling. Let's go to the bathroom. So.
Oh, she adores her.
Oh, sorry guys, that was a business call.
Does that mean you have to go?
Yeah, I have a meeting on the island.
I was just about to make lunch.
Daddy, I want to stay with Aunt Shadare and Aunt Saya and Aunt Bumi, please.
See? If it doesn't want to go.
Okay, you see? You can stay. But I still have to go though. On my way from the meeting, I'll come pick you, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Come here.
All right. Bye.
And try and have fun.
Okay, Daddy. Bye.
See you all.
Bye.
Let's see. Come, let's go to my room. Alright, come. Let's go.
Love that. Yeah. No nonsense talk. I go love love it, girl. Yeah. Are you serious? Aw, that's so sweet. Thanks. Let me jaw. Wow, that's nice. I can't wait. Alright, I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye.
What's up, Daddy?
Hi.
Morning.
Morning, Bumi. How are you?
I'm fine.
I can see you girls already. Alright, ladies, have fun.
Thank you.
Oh no, you have fun. Hopefully you get to spend today on yourself.
And what do you mean by that?
Oh, I mean, I hope you don't spend the day chasing after essay like you did yesterday and the day before.
My dear Taya, I don't mind at all. She's such a delightful kid.
Oh, honey. You're not her nanny, and neither are you her mother.
Oops. Tayo, you're just so mean. You know, I wonder how Chooks copes with you.
Is it your business? It concern you? He knew what he was getting into before he decided to date me. I ain't got no time for sentimentality. I am straight like this.
Sister Shade, I'm late for school already.
Alright, darling.
Goodbye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Tayo, grey heart.
Nari grey hat.
Very funny, right? Now look, all I'm saying is...
Tayo, I know exactly what you want to say. And trust me, I do not care. Okay?
You know what? Alright, it's fine. I'm done. I'm done with this whole thing, okay? Luckily, Daddy has postponed his coming tomorrow. So, lucky you. Hopefully, you get to spend some time on yourself. Oh, and your adopted daughter. Goodbye, Nanny.
Mummy was so right. Tayo needs to grey hat, I swear. Yeah. You promised you were gonna make it up to me today.
I did.
Of course you did.
Shade, I'm really, really sorry. I have another meeting today.
Are you serious? You didn't come until 9 p.m. to pick her up yesterday.
Yes.
And then you're here to drop her off again?
She refused to stay with the aunt. She just insisted she wanted to be with you.
Alright, fine. She can stay.
Oh, that's my girl. Come. Look, Shadi. I promise I'll make it up to you this weekend. And let me confess something else to you. I really appreciate what you're doing to Efe.
Oh, well, she's a great kid.
And the dad.
Had better make it up to me soon.
He will. Come here. I gotta go now.
When will you be back?
Seriously, I have no idea. But I'll call you immediately I'm coming, okay?
Okay.
And, Efe, please be good, alright?
Yes, Daddy. Bye.
Alright. Bye. Careful.
You.
Bye. Okay. So, who wants some noodles? Me. No, I can't hear you. Me. Are you sure? All right, darling, let's go. Come on.
Essay has other girlfriends.
What?
Today, I was at my shoot, and then after the shoot, I was telling my co-model, Annabelle, that we should come home together, since we live around the same area. And then she goes, no, Essay is coming to pick me up. And I'm like, Essay? And she says, yeah, my boyfriend.
Taya, there are many essays in this world. I'm sure.
Do I look dumb to you? No, Shade. Do I look stupid to you? Of course I asked for his surname, and she went into details. She told me about how he has plenty girlfriends, Shade, numerous girlfriends. Not 1, not 2, not even 10. Hey! And then she now told me about how he told her that he has a daughter. Oh-ho! And that she categorically told him that she never wants to see her, and he has managed to keep her away from her. Guess how long they've been dating?
How long?
6 months. 6 freaking months, and she has never met his daughter. What does that make you?
Wife material?
Don't play dumb with me, Shade. Don't do this to yourself.
I'm not doing anything.
Is that all you're going to say?
For now, yes.
Okay. Thank God that I did not go looking for information. I sat on my own and information came looking for me. If you've decided to ignore the truth, now for your head. May God help you. See here, me, I've told you, I have been the good sister that I truly am.
Welcome,
Dad. Welcome, Grandpa.
Hello, everyone. Effie, how are you?
Fine, Grandpa.
Right. Where's Shadi?
She's in the kitchen, Grandpa.
Okay, right. Let me see her. If he's still here?
Welcome, Daddy. Yeah, I already called Issei to come pick her up. He's on his way.
What that man is doing is the height of irresponsibility. And yes, you are running a daycare, Shade.
Dad, please.
Don't get me wrong. I love that girl. That girl calls me Grandpa. And I feel disturbingly good about it. But I don't like what the father is doing to you.
I know, Dad. Trust me, I do. But don't worry. To end tonight.
Are you sure?
Yes, Dad.
You don't want me to put in a little bit of scare into him?
No, Dad. I got this.
You don't want me to challenge him man to man?
No, Dad. I got this, okay? Thanks, Dad.
Okay.
Don't worry. Dinner will be ready in no time.
Thank you.
I need you to be completely honest with me, Essie. No bullshit. Do you think you can do that?
I guess I can.
Good. Now, I found out that you are in a relationship with a lady named Annabelle. And she also mentioned that there are other ladies apart from her. Ife confirmed it today when she said she liked me best of all her new moms. Essay, how many are we?
I really don't have the specific number in my head. Shadi, look, I happen to be a guy that has a lot of female friends.
Wait, let me get this straight. You come here and dump your daughter with me to go out with other women?
If you put it that way, you're making it sound very horrible. I realize that if he likes you and you like her too.
And you?
I like you, but not in that way. I mean, yet, you know.
No, I do not know.
Don't make this any harder than it is. Look, I happen to be a young man that's trying to find himself, and in the process, trying to do what's right for me and for my daughter.
What? What does that even mean?
Well, simply, it means I know I have to make a decision that is beneficial to my daughter, but I have to find my own happiness. I don't have to settle for you because my daughter likes you. I have to think of what makes me happy. And right now, I've not found out yet. I mean, with you.
Wow. Wow. You are a player.
What?
You are a low-life, dirty, lying, irresponsible player. How did I not even see this? I love your daughter, but it is so unfortunate that she has a jerk as a father. You are just unbelievable. You know what? It's over. Read my lips. Over. This thing, whatever it is over, okay?
Look, Shadi, you're just overreacting. Come on.
How dare you even touch me? You are unbelievable. You know what? This daycare center is closed. We are out of business. You just wait here and let me get your daughter for you. And you know something else? You will not be missed. Have a good life.
Shade, I hate to say I was right in such situations.
Dad, why are men like this?
Not all men. Not all men.
See, he's not worth all this, okay? Think about all the memories you've had with his daughter Efe instead.
Nah. I have no tears for him. You know, now that I think about it, I think I actually loved his daughter more than I loved him. I'm just sad that I won't see Efe again.
But that girl, she can eat for Africa.
And the way she calls me grandpa, one would think we were related.
See her. One day, I got back home and I caught her on my bed, jumping up and down. I was ready to spank the living daylight out of her when she turned and said, Auntie Tayo, let's jump. I melted.
So what did you do? What did I do?
I jumped with the girl. We jumped together.